Hello boys and girls. Today we have a Spiderman car, a remote control Spiderman car, which for some reason isn't working. Turn it on, it is blinking. Turn the remote control off, it is blinking as well. But no matter what I seem to press, it will not connect together. Problem can probably either lie in the remote control or in the car itself. I'm guessing on the car because I've been told that it have been driven through a few water puddles, so there might be a little liquid damage inside. But let's open it up and have a look. Let's start by taking it apart. And how to do that? For now we just start by removing screws. I'm guessing these deeper ones will be the ones removing the top cover thing, the whole car looking thing. And down here 2 more. Oh, these are longer. The rear ones are longer. Do it like this. And another long screw for the rear. And this could come off. And what is the next step? Probably always good. I think this is the battery here. Battery connector. Let's start by disconnecting that. If we can. Like that, yes. There's a bunch of wires just glued on here. I think this could be the antenna or something. Let's try to get in there and see. I wouldn't be surprised if this would be some kind of a antenna problem only. There's another screw. With a different head, kind of a washer built into it. And let's see if we can open here then. We can, we just need to do something about these cables. Get them off, but without breaking them like this, I guess. Then we should be able to move this cover here. Oh. Yes. So let's see. There's something white on here. There. But I'm not sure it is water damage or liquid damage though. But I guess we'll clean it off anyways. Let's try to get to the other side of the circuit board. There's one screw here and one screw here. Just to see if this antenna thing is somehow broken. battery. Capacitors look good. Except with this dirt, water damage or whatever, I don't see any problems. Since I don't really see much wrong here, I'm just going to clean this white whatever it is here off. If it is corrosion or whatever it is, it's just dirt from the manufacturing, I don't know, but I don't see anything else that could do anything, unless this is some kind of water damage, liquid damage. And the other side of the board, there's not really anything here, is there? Yeah. Okay, and our capacitor here underneath looks connected, and on the other side here there also looks connected. These two here, nothing wrong there. The other capacitor here, these two here, solder joints also connected, no problem at all. I've cleaned it, and now I think I'll just put it back together, because I mean, this is the whole board that the remote won't connect to. In here we only have motors going, or yeah, motors lying from these cables here, wires, and so I would expect the problem to be either here or in the remote, or maybe some kind of just that it is not paired together somehow. So, but for now I will just put this back together here. Oh, and let's not forget the battery. And this cover here with this antenna cable going through. Okay, I've done something wrong here. The screw hole I'm trying to put the screw in, I've already put another screw in below directly on the board, so this screw here is supposed to go over there. So let's try doing that instead. gallery again. Let's see if anything have changed here. Get the remote. I guess I was too slow now. Nope, no changes whatsoever. No luck. So I don't think the problem is really in here. Let's put the top on again. And the long screws to the rear. Don't get in there. Yes. Like that. And the other long screw. Wrong hole. Get out of there. And in here it was. The other one is still in here. So, back together. Now let's try to have a look on the remote. Okay, just realized something. This is a BMW U-controller, and this here is clearly a Ford. So, that was stupid. This looks more right. But, in my defense, I just got it like that. And it wasn't working. This is why I got it in the first place. So, but let's see if whatever we have done would make it work. I mean, no wonder the control, it wouldn't connect to the other controller. This looks like it is working to me. So, this car is now working, and who knows for how long it have been working. At least when I got it, it wasn't working. Now it have been lying in my closet for quite a while, and of course it won't work with the wrong remote, but with this it is working. I can only hope it is because I took it apart and removed this what could be sign of water damage, but who knows. Maybe it have just been fixing itself all along from lying and drying in my cupboard. Who knows? It is working now. This is what matters. Thanks for watching, and yeah. What can I say? Don't know if it was a success, but it is working. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.